Hi everybody. This week I wanted to talk about eating out. Now obviously you're probably in phase 1 this week and you're new to the program and you're still figuring out the nutrition plan. So you might still be uncomfortable with eating out and how to make choices and things like that. Now anyone that's been with us for a long time knows that you just ask for what you want. Go to the restaurant, look at the menu before you get there so you at least have an idea of how you can modify their meals for yourself. And then when you get there, let your waiter know that you're on a special nutrition plan right now, or tell them you're doing a detox, or however you want to phrase it. But let them know that there are some things that are good for you to eat and some things you need to avoid, and then just ask for what you want. And even if it's not on the menu at all, most restaurants will accommodate you. So of course, on the phase 1 plan, if that's what you're doing, you can ask for a grilled chicken breast. Ask them to please grill it without any kind of sauces or anything like that, and some steamed vegetables. And you can even ask for which vegetables you'd like, because you check the menu before you get there so you know which vegetables they have available in the kitchen, and then you can just ask them, can I please just have, some broccoli and, whatever else it is that's on the plan, broccoli and green beans or eggplant or whatever there is that you really like to eat. And then ask them, perhaps if you're ordering a salad, say, I'd like a garden salad, please leave out the carrots or whatever else is not on your list that week. And then ask for not just dressing on the side, you can ask for olive oil on the side and just use a little bit of olive oil. You can also ask for a wedge of lemon and squeeze that over your salad. So really what I'm trying to get at is you have lots of choices. If you need to, take your nutrition plan with you, and you can even talk with the waiter about what they have available in the kitchen. And because you are special ordering, be sure to leave them a good tip, because if you do that, the next time you go back, they will remember and they will do whatever they can to help you stay on track. And that's what it's all about. Stay on track. It's just a few weeks of this nutrition plan and you are going to have a whole new life.